Our project for this unit is going to be a complex drawing. And this drawing will incorporate a spiral, a triangle, and a grid, a raster file, and a black and white raster file. Now, I expect you to do some of the things that you learned in this unit. The spiral tool can be found under the line segment here. You can see there's the spiral tool. Here are two grid tools here, and I'm going to show you how to make a grid also. The raster file here, and it doesn't have to be this one, it would be anything that you choose. You will be using the raster filters to change. Here with the black and white raster file, you can go to Object and Live Trace and trace it and expand it. And you can color it. Let me come here to the Group Selection tool here. For example, like this. There you go. And you can color this and do other things and hopefully use the vector filters for this. Now, one way to make a grid is to draw a line, and I'll just do this by holding down my Shift key. There's a line segment, and I'll take off my fill here and put on my stroke color. I'll do this in black, and I will hold down my Shift key and Alt key, Option key on the Mac, and there I have two segments. And I will choose these and come to the Blend tool here. And instead of smooth color on the Blend tool, I'm going to specify steps, and I'll just take the default 8 steps and click on OK. And what I do here, I see that little square, I go and click on this anchor point, and then this anchor point, and I have 8 steps. Okay, so now I have this, and I will expand it, Object and Expand. There we go. And I will come here to the Rotate tool, and I'll click in the center and rotate that 90 degrees, and I'll take a look at that. That's good, and make a copy. And there I have a grid. And what's neat about this is now I can come here and do a few things. For example, with the distort. Let's see here. Free distort. I can distort this like that. Say OK. You see, it distorts it. I'll Control Z that. Or, for example, I can come here and do twist and do this 90 degrees and do something like that. So there's a lot of options to do. Now the next video is going to show some samples of what some former students did. Now this can be a very creative process, and it's one of the most creative projects that we do. So have fun with it. Goodbye now.